Hey Slime Squad, it's Kim here. I'm filling in for Adam, and today we're making the world's brightest slime. It glows in daylight. I'm using a tint called Lit. It was suggested by a subscriber that said we should try it out because it's the world's brightest tint. It's really neat because it actually glows in the daylight. Look at that one, you see that? It's so, it's like radiating. And it is super cool. And it's like a dust, a powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour in some clear slime, clear glue. That should do it. A little bit of borax, just your simple recipe, 1 teaspoon to 1 cup of water for borax. You can go ahead and use this, but I'm gonna use some clear I already have mixed up so it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna add the lit powder to it and let's light it up. Awesome. All right, it's fully incorporated now, so let's test it out. All right, it's not even dark in here, it's daytime. I'm gonna see if this shows up. Look at that one, you see that? It's so, it's like radiating. It's crazy. Look at that. Whoa. Can y'all see that? Check it out. It's glowing in the daylight. Isn't that cool? This stuff is really, 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 really cool and really neat. I have some more slime here. And on Instagram you see where they mix glitter and they push it down. It's called glitter mixing. Well, I'm gonna do some with this pigment. So we're gonna have pigment mixing. Then I'm gonna punch it down. I love those videos. All right, let's get to our dark place. This stuff is crazy. So let's do this. All right, let's see how this goes. I'm so excited. That is too cool. This is not with a black light. This is just how bright this powder is. Wow, look at that. Look how bright this is. And it hasn't even lost its glow yet. This is my slime in the daylight. I'm out of my dark place and it's still glowing.